Made it in one piece. We're all the way up there. Well, I'm doing a little bit of do-it-yourself flats fishing on these flats around the island. So, see if we can get a bonefish. We have Becca here at the Doe Plantation. Hi, Becca. Well, I'm on the beautiful island of Oahu, and I just nailed a huge bonefish. God, it was a monster. I saw it tailing out there, and my fly hit the water, and I really didn't expect it to grab immediately. I expected to play that little game you play with bonefish, and I went on my first strip. It grabbed it, and I did the unthinkable. I did a trout set, and I ended up losing that one, but the gods of fishing were smiling upon me, and a few more casts later I caught one of the other bonefish out of that little pod, and it was a solid 6-7 pound fish. So I'm happy with that. Behind me right here,
what? Love me one time. Yeah, I live my heart in Hawaii. underneath the palm tree, loving, living life, sipping a coconut tea. If you can't see me, I'll be rolling up a split leaf underneath the water, wonder where the fishies be. I'll be somewhere on an island, somewhere warm, far away. Aloha to the world's what I've been trying to say. Spread love to the people and respect everything. Island life is just a life just fit for me. Sunrise to sundown, my heart can be found. It's somewhere on a wave or up in the clouds, somewhere over the rainbows, maybe where it can be found. Tell me, have you seen my heart laying around? I left my heart in Hawaii, where the sun meets the sand and the water just takes me out way. Where the ocean's so clear under palm trees, I lay in the shade. Where the sun meets the sand and the water just takes me out way. Where the ocean's so clear under palm trees, I lay in the breeze from the morning wind, early with the fishermen, trying to catch my heart. And if you see it, please reel it in. Place it in the palm tree, cause I swear that I'll be back again. Or tie it to a cloud and push it out into the strongest way. My question is, tell me, have you seen her? And if you did, tell her that I need her. For I'll be back again, I promise I'ma keep her. Into the water, I can feel it sinking deeper. Maybe it's at Pearl Harbor sitting on a boat, or maybe on the big island in a volcano, or somewhere out in Maui chilling on the sandy coast, or out in Waikiki, that's the place I love most. Somebody tell me, have you seen it? That's all I wanna know. I'm pretty sure it's on a wave trying to get to the shore. Somebody tell me, have you seen it? That's all I wanna know. I'm pretty sure it's on the bottom of the ocean. I live in Hawaii, where the sun meets the sand and the water just takes me out way. Where the ocean's so clear under palm trees, I lay in the shade. Where the sun meets the sand and the water just takes me out way. Where the ocean's so clear under palm trees, I lay in the shade. Down in Hawaii,
and there's the guest of honor right there, the pig. You can see it smoking. It's about ready to come out. Speaking of smoking, there's my smoking hot wife.
Why you come and shoot down on a good vibe ready to flow? You keep on coming and a coming, baby, please stop rocking my boat. Cause I'm ready to rock. Honey, don't say it if you lying, cause I came here to water down your road. So baby, why you shoot down on a good vibe ready to flow?